Hey, this is Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. And the question is this: if I submit a Google form and I get an email with the content and I edit that form, will I get another email? I figured, what's a better way to answer this question than create a video? So I have this form. Testing. Okay, so if you look at under settings, you'll see collect the email addresses. I'm collecting email addresses, and I'm going to send the responder a copy of their response, and I'm allowing editing. So let's go take a look at the form. So let's fill it out. Go to next. It's not a very clean form, but I'm going to hit the submit. Now, let's go see if I got a response. Sure enough, Google Forms sent me that response. Right now, 8:24. You can see it's 8:24, and up in the right-hand corner is 8:24. Now, I'm going to go back to that response where I just filled it out, and I'm going to edit my response. Leave my name there, but I'm going to uncheck that, and I'm going to check that. I'm going to go to next, and I'm going to hit submit. Okay? Now, let's go up to the left-hand corner. Look here. Now it says 2. I got 2 responses. Here's the first one where I checked this first untitled question. And look down here, it's collapsed, but there it is, where I unchecked that and checked that. So the bottom line is, if the form is set up to collect email addresses and send responses and allow editing, when you go back to edit the form, it will send you a new response. And look, even better than that, edit response. I can do it from right here. And I can bring this up, switch it, turn them both on, hit next, and submit. And now I should have 3 emails. I have 3. There's the first one, there's the second one, and this is the one I just did where I checked both options. And again, when it submits the form to you, the edit is right there. You don't have to stay here to be able to edit it. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope that's helpful for you.